Alright guys, we're going to do a short review on the Harbor Freight Ultrasonic cleaner. I had this one, somebody asked me to clean it, and it's one of the worst I've ever seen. Yeah, that's real bad. Here. And just so you can see how dirty it really is. I don't know how well you can see that. Sorry for my kid being in the background. Alright, so we're going to try this. I'm just using this. And I've got it way too green. This is way too green, but I figured since it's so rusty, see, even the magazine's rusted. We're going to try it out and just see how it works. I'm doing this after because you don't want to put the heat on. So right now we're just going to do these and drop it in here. Oops. There we go. All right, so you've got 90 seconds, 180, 280, 380, and 480. We're going to start off, turn your temperature on. I think it gets up to like 180, 140, 180 degrees. So we're going to try it and see what happens. Look at all that. It's like something out of a science experiment. You can see all that grime coming off. Like I said, I might pull this out early just because it's way too concentrated. Got this for 75, like 70 bucks at Harbor Freight on sale. So we'll come back in a minute and we'll see how clean it got. Alright, 0 seconds, we're done. Now let's see. We'll see. Let's see, I just got the flashlight here. I'm going to unplug it just in case. Okay, you can. All right. So let's set all these down. Okay. Oh wow, that looks good night. Let me just get all these out real quick. All right. Sorry I had to get all the pieces out, but remember how rusty that was? 480 seconds. The barrel wasn't rusty inside, just on the out. So I'm going to have to sandblast these and Cerakote them, which is something I'm going to do in future videos. Just did all the metal parts. Everything turned out really clean. I may put it in there for another cycle. Yeah, still some rust, but I might take this all the way apart. But I just wanted to show you how it would clean a gun. Just simple grain that you can buy at Home Depot. You can reuse it. There's the water. Shoot, you could use that 4 or 5 more times probably, but It's a good little machine. Alright, so if you want to be able to clean guns or jewelry or whatever, brake parts, this is a good machine for the price. Yeah, you can see it's not getting the rust off, but I'm gonna put this through again. Alright, back in a moment. Alright, almost done with another cycle. You can kind of see the rust flakes and the dirt. So, all right, let's see how this works. All right. This is the second cycle. Yeah, don't put your hands in here while it's running, by the way. You may get lit up. Alright. Let's see how she did. Oh, wow. There's not much you can do about rust. This one's going to have to be sandblasted and coated, but for this machine, I think it did pretty good. So, just wanted to do a quick review for you guys so you could see how this works. Alright, Central Machinery from Harbor Freight, $70. Comment if you got any questions. This is pretty much all it comes with. There's a little tray down there, but you can't see it due to the sci-fi looking liquid. But yet again, don't get it this green. Get it less concentrated. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care. See you next time.